Hello, welcome to this Canon Service Support tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will show you the path where you can add all the communication settings that are needed for enabling the Scan to Email function. The same page is also useful for checking if the existing settings are correct in case Scan to Email fails. First, you must log in as an administrator or as a user with administrative rights. Click on the login option at the top right of the home menu. The default login credentials are provided with the machine's installation. If you do not have them, please speak with the person responsible for managing your Canon machine at your site. After you successfully log in, press Settings and Registration. Then, Device Settings, Function Settings, Send, Email and iFax settings, Communication settings. In this page, you can add the SMTP and POP server details or check if the existing details are correct. Don't forget to add any new recipients in the machine's address book. Go back to the home menu and click the address book icon on the middle top. Select Register Destinations and then select from the list of the existing ones, or click on Register New Destination and then Email to add a new email contact. You can always contact Canon Support if you need further assistance. Thank you for watching and see you next time.